Hi guys, so I have some happy mail from Ebony, and you have seen Eb on my channel before, and I have no earthly idea what is in this box. I just know that it came in this cutesy box, and I have no idea, like no, I don't know what holiday, nothing. I know nothing. So oh my gosh, I see something that I like though already. I see Legos. Me and Eb like share our love of Legos, so I am excited. Okay, let me open this first and see what it says. She is so sweet, you guys. She really is a sweet. So I'm gonna put all of her info in the description bar. Oh my gosh, she said, I hope you enjoy some of my favorite things. Coffee mugs, Lego, and nostalgia. Happy Valentine's Day, Ebony. Oh gosh, look how cute. She even put one of these little Valentines. She has the best handwriting ever. My goodness. I couldn't wish for a better friend than you. I love this cute, and I love Belle. Oh my goodness gracious, how cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like not like freak out, Lisa. Just calm down. This is from Hadley Design. She always knows like all the best like stationery and, you know, small businesses. Ah, this is Lego Friends. How cute is this? A little flower stand. Oh my gosh, how adorable is this? Okay, wait. I changed my lighting, guys. So now I'm like, I don't know what's blocking the light and what isn't. So this is so cute. Oh, I'm going to build this. I may build this right after this video and then post a picture of it. Oh, and then tag her. I love Legos, you guys. Like, seriously, we are a Lego family. Okay, we have I don't even want to tell you, millions of dollars in Legos here. It feels like certainly thousands, because Legos are not cheap. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And then let's see what's in this box here. I know it says it was fragile. Oh, it's probably a mug. Hello, what am I saying? She said she loves coffee mugs. Okay, all right. We have a little packing peanut flying. It's so funny because she was like, you know, this is her like favorite thing. Like, she didn't do the swap. She's like, one day I'll do, you know, swaps, but in the meantime, oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see what this is. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, how cute. Look, full hands, full heart. Oh gosh. All these kids, Lord have mercy. This is true. Full hands and full heart for sure. Oh my gosh, Eb, you're so sweet. Last time she sent me like this this book with these like really fun games that my boys love. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Why is she so sweet? Oh my gosh. She always makes me want to cry. Look, you guys. Look at the nostalgia. This is so cute. This looks like an old school like thing. It probably is. It probably came from like, I wish there was a thing on here like from where it's from, and she put like mint tape so it won't like mess it up. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It really looks like an old school like Valentine. Like, this is what we used to give out. Okay, now like people be getting stuff on Etsy. Anyway, okay, let me not get started. But oh my gosh, thank you so much, Em. This is so sweet. And I've been trying to like drink a lot more tea, so I'm gonna be putting that in there. And I do drink, well, I don't drink coffee, but I will, like, you know, casually, kind of how people drink casually. I do that too, but coffee is, you know, casual, like if I'm out or something. Not even, honestly, like if I'm at a restaurant, I'm not going to order coffee, but like if somebody's like, oh, let's go to Starbucks, I'm like, okay, and then I have to figure out what I'm going to order when I get there. But anyway, you guys, go and follow Ebony on Instagram. She is the absolute sweetest. Oh my gosh, I would love for her to join YouTube, but I know that's probably pushing it because I know she's super busy. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.